In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PDF destination link using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Whether you're working on an interactive document or simply want to make navigation easier for your readers, creating destination links can significantly enhance the user experience. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin with, you'll need to open a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. If you haven't launched the program yet, go ahead and open it up, then load the PDF document in which you'd like to create these links. Once your document is open, navigate to the section of the PDF where you intend to place the link. It's important to choose a specific location that serves your purpose, so take a moment to consider where your link will be most useful for the readers. Next, move your attention to the top left corner of your screen and click on Edit. This is your gateway to accessing various editing tools that Acrobat offers. When you click on Edit, you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select the Link option, then Add or Edit a link. This is a crucial step that enables us to define where and how the link will function within the document. Now you'll need to delineate the area where the link will be active. Simply drag your cursor around the text, image, or section that will serve as your link's trigger. Adobe Acrobat allows you to specify this area by drawing a rectangle around it. Be precise with your selection to ensure that users can easily find and use the link. Once you've defined this area, a Create Link dialog box will appear. Here you can configure the appearance of your link. You have options to adjust the thickness, color, and style of the link, such as whether it will be visible or invisible to users, and if it should appear as a solid line or an underline. Consider how you want your document to look and make adjustments accordingly. The next step is to define the link action. In the dialog box, you'll see an option labeled Go to a Page View. Select this option and click Next. This action will allow users to jump to a different part of the document when they interact with the link. At this point, a Create Go to View dialog box will appear. Here, you'll want to scroll through your document and find the specific page or section to which you want your link to guide the reader. Carefully select the target view, making sure it aligns with your initial plan for the document flow. Once you've selected the target view, click on Set Link. With this, you have successfully created a destination link within your PDF. Finally, close the edit panel to save your changes. To ensure everything works properly, it's always a good idea to test the link yourself. Navigate to where you place the link and click on it to make sure it takes you to the correct destination. If everything is working smoothly, you've successfully enhanced your PDF with an interactive link. Happy editing!